A is for ant. Ants march proudly, tiny and neat, lifting crumbs with 6 small feet. B is for bear. Big brown bear goes stomp, 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 splashing water with a happy plump. C is for cat. Curious cat with a whisker so wide, chasing a ball with a playful glide. D is for dog. Doggy runs fast, tail wagging high, barking hello as friends pass by. E is for elephant. Elephant swings its trunk around, spraying cool water on the ground. F is for frog. Funny green frog goes hop, 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 leaping from lily till it drops. G is for giraffe. Giraffe stands tall with a stretchy neck, nibbling leaves from the tallest deck. H is for horse. Happy horse gallops over the hill, mane flowing free, strong and still. I is for iguana. Iguana basks in the warm sunlight, changing colors, what a sight. J is for jaguar. Jaguar sneaks with silent paws, golden spots and mighty jaws. J is for kangaroo. Kangaroo jumps with a bounce and zoom, baby peeks out from mama's pouch room. L is for lion. Loud lion roars in the jungle bright, king of animals, bold with might. M is for monkey. Monkey swings with a giggle and grin, flipping and spinning round and round again. N is for newt. Newt slides softly by the stream, shiny and small like a watery dream. O is for owl. Owl hoots softly in moonlit skies, big round eyes and quiet flies. P is for penguin. Penguin waddles on icy ground, sliding on tummy, spinning around. Q is for quokka. Quokka smiles friendly and sweet, tiny paws and happy feet. R is for rabbit. Rabbit hops with ears held high, nibbling carrots passing by. S is for snake. Sliverly scope goes tss along, moving smoothly, long and strong. T is for tiger. Tiger prowls with stripes so bright, orange and black, a powerful sight. U is for urchin. Urchin rolls in the ocean blue, spiky and round, saying hello to you. V is for vulture. Vulture soars in the open sky, circling slowly way up high. W is for whale. Whale sings songs in the deep sea wide, splashing waves on a joyful ride. X is for X-ray fish. X-ray fish glows see-through bright, swimming gently, a shining sight. Y is for yak. Yak stays warm with shaggy hair, climbing mountains without a care. Z is for zebra. Zebra runs with stripes of black and white, zipping across the plains in delight.